In this video, I'm about to show you how to use NordVPN to access Netflix anywhere. So a lot of countries nowadays have different kind of regional restrictions that can frustrate a lot of users and viewers to watch Netflix. But not anymore because NordVPN is here to save the day. Now before we begin, you can access NordVPN 70% off on its subscription packages, which is going to be providing you a huge amount of value. So for that, all you need to do is simply jump to the description of this exact video and you will be getting that 70% off. Now head over to nordvpn.com simply, and then what you need to do is simply click on this get NordVPN option, or you can see we have this download center as well. So a lot of areas to download our VPN. You can see we have this downloads option over here on the left side as well. Once I click on to that download option, you can see it is providing me options NordVPN for iOS. We have NordVPN for Microsoft Edge, and we have NordVPN for Nord Locker for iOS, which is for passwords and different kind of stuff. We're going to be discussing about that later on. So that's how you can use NordVPN and unlock your shows. And if you still have any issues downloading NordVPN and getting started with it, let us know in the comments below. See you in the next video.